Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This intro is going to be very fast. Today I will be doing a very quick makeup look. Like my camera has like 25 minutes time limit per video, so I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try to make this makeup look fit into this 25 minutes time limit. I don't know if I could be able to make it or not. I'll try my best. If not, I'll just try to, I don't know, record for another 25 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't take that long of time for me to do this makeup look. Please excuse how horrible my background looks like because I'm gonna be revamping my room very soon, so hopefully my background doesn't look this bad after this. Another one more thing is that I'm doing this video as a part of Instagram controls my day thingy that I did. That video is probably gonna come out first and then I'm gonna be uploading this, because in that video I asked my Instagram friends to tell me if I should record this makeup look or not, and like most of them voted for me to record this, so that's the reason why we have this extra one video. Is this going to be a very simple daily normal makeup look, so it's not going to be so complicated. I'm going to try as less products as possible, so stick with me to find out. I already have moisturizer on my skin, but I just want to double moisturize, so I'm using this Hydrating Sunblock. It's a natural sunblock. It's by the Healing Blue. It's actually a natural sunblock thingy. It has aloe vera, raspberry seed oil and essential oil. You guys could go and get it from their Instagram. I'm just gonna use this as a double moisturizer because I kind of moisturized before I had my breakfast and all. So what's great about this is that it doesn't give you like a white cast. Next would be primer. It's the model's own face base. I have a lot of insecurities with my arms and I feel very self-conscious because this shirt is like short sleeve, so I'm sorry if I look like weirdly like this in the video, okay? I'm trying to get over it, but I don't know. Next would be, as usual, color correcting, because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. As you could see here around my mouth area, I have this one dot here going on. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it, and some here. So yeah, so in order for me to cover those dark spots, I use a red lipstick. This is by NUDE, the ColorStix in the shade Tomato. This is my favorite for color correcting. For foundation, I will be using the Foccalure Kann in the shade 8. Since it's also very light, I'm gonna be like quickly mixing it with a little bit of this Rimmel London's Match Perfection in the shade Deep Mocha 504. This seems a bit too light for me, but no one cares. The camera is already at 13 minutes, so I know I'm gonna fail this whole one-shot challenge thingy, but it's okay. We just see. I don't know. I'll just let you guys know how long it took, okay? Holy shit, I think my face looks red, but it's okay, no one cares. We're gonna jump straight into concealer. I'm gonna be using this Catwalk concealer in the shade wow, medium. Blend. Oh my god, look at the difference between my hand and my face. No! But like I said, no one cares. I really hope someday I'll be rich enough to go and buy a proper foundation that fits my skin. Okay, next we are going to be using this Rimmel London's Insta Duo Contour Stick in the shade Dark FONCE. Or is it FONCE? I don't know, but this is it. After I contour, right, you know how the sponge has the dark shade? I just like to like dab it all over the face since my face color seems to be like extremely light now. However, the foundation would oxidize and I would eventually get darker by the day, so it's okay, no worries, okay? No panic, don't panic. We're going to be using this NUDE Color Smooth thingy. I think we can go straight away to eyebrows, I guess. We're gonna jump straight into eyeshadow, okay? Today I will be using, I think I'm just gonna be using one palette today, my favorite palette. I have like a few makeup videos and I think I've used this in almost all of it. And this is the Crimson palette. I'm gonna be using the maroon shade here, okay? I'm gonna be using this and I'm just gonna be like all over my eyelid. I'm gonna take the darker shade over here, the end shade, okay? And then I'm just gonna like intensify the end part. If you're watching this, I'm so thankful to you. Thank you so much. Please don't get offended whenever I say no one's gonna watch this, no one cares. It's just how I cope with my anxiety. This one over here, okay? At the inner part of the lid. Let's go in with this KAJAL thingy, the bottom lash. And then we're gonna be drawing some good old eyeliner. Eyeliner is a bit tough, okay? Here, look at my Cat Cactus Sakura wand mirror. Isn't it cool? Noise. The eyeliner that I was using earlier is just a cheap 2 ringgit eyeliner from Suake. I got it from Shopee. Okay, this is the Wonder Swipe from Rimmel London. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of a small line here. Okay, that's all. Now I think I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Someone in YouTube said this is the best mascara, which is Drugstore, Maybelline, Hyper Volume Express. I think the best mascara I've ever used is the NYX Worth the Hype. Since I'm not going out today, I'm just gonna use this. I don't know if you guys could see the difference or not. This is with mascara, this one with no mascara. Okay, mascara is done. Now, the same palette, we're going to be using this second brown thingy. It has a weird shape. Okay, I'm just going to use this. Oh no, I think I overdid it. And then with this slightly weird shape puffy brush, I'm just gonna dab it into these 2 shades over here to accentuate the so-called brown contour thingy. Yeah, it's like as if I have a high cheekbone. And then over here, to create some sort of an illusion, like as if I have a jawline, which obviously I don't have. For blusher, I'm going to be using the same palette. Do you see this 1, 2, 3 shade over here? I'm just going to like run in the middle of it. And then here. Some people like to put on some blush on your nose. Go ahead if you're that kind of person. For setting spray, I'm just going to be using this Intuit Makeup Stay Mineral Setting Mist. So I think my lip today would be Nude Me Liquid Lip Matte from Cathy in the shade Last Red Wine number 17. It's going to be going through the same palette. I'm going to be using this one that I used for the inner part of my eyelid. I'm just going to use my whole finger like this. Do you see the shade? And just be like this. And then like this. There, do you see it? That's what we want. Okay, and then a little bit here and here on the tip of your nose. I'm gonna go and do my hair, so okay, that is the finished look. I just put my hair into pigtails because I don't know what else to do. That is the eye makeup. As it's pretty basic. I think I look like this in most of my videos because this is like a very easy fast makeup that I could do. I think I kind of finished this up in like less than 1 hour. I think that's all, you guys. I hope you guys like this look. It's nothing, it's very easy. If I could do it, you could do it too. I just use really basic stuff. It's just you can use any foundation you have, but the most important thing you need is this palette right here, the Rimmel London Crimson edition, because my blush, my contour, my highlighter, my eyeshadow, everything is from this palette. So it's a one palette thingy. I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I think I've been looking into the screen throughout the whole video today. I'm really sorry for that. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be doing more makeup videos, hopefully. I'm really trying so hard. It's just that it's so difficult for me to get motivated for me to do makeup looks because I know I'm not going to go anywhere. So yeah. Make sure you guys stay safe at home. Wash your hands regularly. Wear a mask. If you don't need to go out, don't go out. It's nicer to lepak and hang out at home watching Netflix at home in your house, okay? If you don't have any other business outside, any errands or whatsoever to run, please don't go outside. Just stay at home until this virus goes off, or until at least we could find a cure or a vaccine for it. Okay, that was all. This was my look for today. So until I see you guys next time on my next video, bye.